How's everyone doing today? Thanks for dropping by our channel. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share us around. We appreciate your views and all your comments and everything like that. Thanks so much for being here. Anyways, today I want to talk to you about our new rabbit cages we have. They have been amazing, and we got them for free, so that's even more of a bonus. So this cage is awesome. So right now we're not putting any bottles on because it's still winter for the water, but once it warms up we'll be doing bottle feeding for the water. It would just freeze up and be pointless. We have the feeder here, which is awesome. It has a little latch here, you just pop off, it comes right off. So it's good for easy cleaning, really well thought out design. And then it's got another latch here for the door. And in here we got a little Rex rabbit. Hello Missy, how you doing? She just had babies, her first babies, but she I think freaked out and they all died in the cold. She didn't really make a very good nest. But here's the water dishes we've been using for the winter. And these cages are super well thought out. It's got your grates here, so when they go to the bathroom, everything drops down into the bottom, and as well, it pops up here, so you can pull the bottom piece out. It's probably a little frozen bit, or a little heavy with the rabbit. So you can pull this whole piece out as well to clean it. And then as well, on the bottom here, which is pretty sweet, is it has trays as well. You can just pull it out and dump your animal waste into your wheelbarrow over here that we have, so that we can take it out to the compost pile. So it's really thought out design, and good thing about stainless steel is it won't rust and it's super easy to clean. So when we need to, we can just take it outside, power wash everything down, sanitize, and bring it back in. They've been awesome. Much better than what we had before. And here's one little cleaner here. But I mean, it's working well, and it's got air vents all around the top here. The cages are bigger than normal rabbit cages that we have, which is nice, which gives them a bit more room to hop around in and do whatever they're doing. And another Rex, we just got her. So we've been breeding them this winter, and not hardly any of them have caught. So we've had 2 litters, I think, and one was okay. With the other one, I think, no, 3. 2 of them died. 2 of the different litters died, and the one survived. It's been a really hard winter here with I guess everywhere too, with your temperatures this year. It's been so cold, it kind of warmed up, got cold again, warmed up. So I don't know if things are not breeding so well this year, but hey, what can you do? And here's our 2 other cows we have here. This is Maple, and the kids call him Waffle, but I call him Molasses. So we're gonna raise her and breed her, and he's gonna be for meat. He's a Jersey cross. And so I'll show you the other rabbit cages that we started with as well, just so you can see the difference between the 2. Actually, we got rabbits in them now, so we'll come on back here. It's gonna be noisy in here because it's egg laying time here in the hen house. That's Chickalata. She likes to escape and lay her egg somewhere else. So here we go. These are the cages we got previously last year that we've been using. They're not bad, but I mean, I like the stainless steel ones better. They're pretty basic to open up and close. I like the other ones better because these doors are pretty flimsy. They can break pretty easily. Bonus with this one, I guess, is when they poop, it all falls on the floor. It's easy to scoop up. Fit about 2 or 3 of them in there. They're fairly large too, just a little smaller. And then these ones have a lot bigger feeding container. So if you have more rabbits, and you don't have to fill it as often, but that's all right. So yeah, these ones are finickier to fix too. They break easier. I'll show you the one out here we took down from here the other day, just because we need a space to make some more chicken roost, because we're gonna move some more chickens in. But these wire cages, we need to fix this one here because it fell off the end. But they have these little wire knobs here that you clip on, and it takes a little bit to get used to clipping them in, but it's a lot more work and maintenance on these cages to keep them upkept. And we have to go through and clean this one up and fix it up. But yeah, these ones are okay. They serve the purpose for the start of our rabbit program here. But these stainless steel ones, boy, are they ever great. Can't go wrong with these ones. So, and as well, I should show you they're on wheels here too. So you move everything around, and actually this whole cage here, you can just pull it right out because it's on these sliders here. I won't do it right now because we have the rabbits in there, but it just pulls right out, so it's fast and easy to clean, and it's a no mess. It's a lot easier than those other ones out there. But there you go. I just wanted to show you guys the rabbit cages we have here. Obviously not everyone's going to be able to afford them. I'm not really sure where you got them made. Like I said, there's 25, 30 years old. There you go, guys. I hope you like checking our quick rabbit cages here. See what we're doing with the rabbits and their cages. And yeah, so have a great day, and we'll see you out there.